How to download WeTransfer file on Android. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily download your WeTransfer file on Android. So if you have someone that has sent you some files via WeTransfer, you can find it on your email. As you can see here, I've gotten this file over here. So here is the download link. All you have to do is just tap on this download link. It's going to open up in your web browser, which you can then use to download. So it's going to open the WeTransfer/downloads, and then you'll be able to simply tap on I agree. You can find these files over here that you can download. You can download in browser or download in app. I'll just continue with the browser. And then as you can see, the files are being downloaded. You can see the details over here. Now once the file has been downloaded, you could just tap on it and then view the file. Let's just choose my file for now. And here are the files. So let me just quickly extract these. Tap on extract and you should be good to go. Now you are able to view these files easily. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.